I was so excited when VV Lumen sent me this 5-in-1 bedside lamp because I've struggled with relaxing and falling asleep at night. It has 3 levels of brightness, it's a wireless charger and Bluetooth enabled. The rotating light bar also doubles as a phone stand. It gives me just the right amount of light if I need to get up in the night, and for my morning journaling, there's preset relaxing sounds to help you wind down at night. Just set the timer for 30 or 60 minutes, choose your favorite sound, and start feeling relaxed and ready for sleep. This is definitely not your average table lamp. This beautiful multifunctional piece would be a perfect upgrade to any home or office. It's a definite Amazon home must-have.